Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into settings and clicking on connected devices right away. Now choose connection preferences and tap on printing. Finally, you can select default print service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, disable this one first thanks to blue switcher. Go back, click on Add Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP1. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!